Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google meeting from Google Calendar. So as you can see here, I've already opened my Google Calendar, and if you want to set a meeting at a certain day, you can do that through the Google Calendar, and I'm going to show you how. So this in this Google Calendar, just pick a date of when you want to have the meeting. So for example, I want to have the meeting at the end of the month. Click on this and then click on create and choose event like this. And then here you can just add the title, the event title, for example, big meeting, and then set the time. I'm going to set it at the time at for example 5 p.m. until 6 p.m. and then you can choose whether you want to repeat the schedule or not, and then click on add guest to add another participant. For example, I'm going to add myself, and then got it. And then here you can edit the guest permission, whether he or she can invite others, see the guest list, or modify event. I'm going to set it that he or she cannot invite others like this. And here, and after you enter the names or email, click on save, but you can click on this link, copy conference info, to share the link with others participant. And when you're done, just click on save. Oops, click on save. Okay, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? And then click on send to send the invitation. Okay, so just like that is how you can schedule a Google meeting from Google Calendar. Okay, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all next video. Thank you.